Let's learn how you can save location on your Maps application. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone. So we will go to iOS Maps, but the method is very similar for Google Maps. Without any delay, let us start by going to our Maps application. Now it will open Maps. You will have to find some location you want to save. For example, this. You'll just have to click on it and it will open this pin. Now what you want to do is to click on this star button that says add to favorites. And as you can see, it's now added to our favorites. And when you open search maps, you can see on favorite bar that your location is saved. You can also click on search maps to see recent searches you done for maps and find your maps there. So it's very easy, and it's literally same method on Google Maps. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.